All right, this is Hell's Bells by AC/DC. Okay, that's our first main riff from the intro. So we're gonna have the open A bass note. We're gonna have 9th fret of the G string. And we're gonna have the 7s barred on the D and the G string. So we're gonna have open, then 9, 7, 7, going D to G. So, and then we're going D string 7 to the open A bass again. Now we're going to take the first finger down to the 5s here, and we're going to go G5 to D to open A. So it's, and then we're coming back up to the 7s. We're going to go 7 on the G, 7 on the D, and then open, open on the A again. And that one rings into the new measure, which kind of starts it over again. So it's like. Now this time at the end we're going to go. So we're going to go 3 and 5, it's a C power chord. And then we move to the B in the bass, the 2nd fret. So that's why I like to use the pinky on this. Helps me reach that lower chord there to the A bass, and that starts the thing over again. It ends up going like 5 times through that whole sequence. So we got. And see that note right there, that A note that goes over into the new measure that starts the new one, so you don't have to hit it again. It's like it's already been done. So it's like. Okay, so like I said, it goes 5 times through that. Now the last time it's going to end differently. It's going to go. So this is one of those G's where you have the 3 up here, you mute the A, and you got open, open, 3, 3. So we got a couple strums on that G. Go to a D there. And we do that little chord thing again. So once again, that last one was. G, D. Okay, then we're into the pre-verse. Now this is gonna have a new riff. So we have the open A, and then we have a 7 and 9 on the D and G. We're gonna bring that out to the 7s and back. So, and then we're gonna come to both 7s on the D and G. To the 5s and back, 7s, 5s, 7s. So this one's like a power chord shape. You pull that one out. This one's like a double, kind of like that. So we got. So this time we had an A before the chords, and then that 3 to 5, 3 and 5, 2 to 4. So we got. Okay, then our verse starts. It's got the same type of feel. We're going to switch to this A power chord here. We got. So it starts with the A, bass note, open, and then we got the open and 2, where we're going to the open and open. So it's. Then we're going to come down to this D chord here, open, 2, 3, starting on the D string. We're just going to take that first finger out and back. So we got. So it starts on the A, goes to the D. We got. Now after this, we're going to hit these 2 middle strings again a couple times, a little D power chord. Jump, jump, dunk, dunk. And then we're going to go to the A twice. So it's chords, and then we're back to the A. So once again, that second measure was. We got 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, then we're going to move on up to the D chord. So we bass, D, and then we got da-da-dum, da-da-dum, and then 2 more chords. And you can kind of go for the open middle strings. C power chord, 3-5-5, starting on the A. And you could just go to a G power chord if you want to. Tab I saw says this one, but it's kind of hard to reach. You could do it though. But it could be just that if you want to make it a little easier. Either way, and then kind of sounds better that way. Has that big AC/DC ring to it. Now we're going to come up to this E chord, E power chord. We got 7, 9, 9. You can use the open up here a little bit too. We got. So we're doing the same type of thing. We're doing the 7, 9, 9. You could use whatever. You could use one finger, but we're going to those 7s down here after we move that up. So do that a couple times. Got bass and then da-da-dum, da-da-dum. And then you have 2 more chords and kind of just some open strings, maybe the 5th and 4th string. As you jump down to your D to A. And you could do those here. You could do it like that as well. Or down there. Okay, and then we're going to have... So the last time of this one's going to go to the G chord. We're back to our intro, but it's like the chorus now. So right, we go through all the other things. We get into the do that a couple times, verse. Okay, then we're gonna get into the solo. So the solo is gonna have a cool little double stops riff. We got. Okay, so we're doing the 7s on the G and B strings. We're gonna pull them both off. This is like a half step bend with both of those up and down. So I pulled off to the 5s and then I went 7s and 5s. Then I went 7 on the D and a hammer on 5-7. So it's 3, 4, 1. So this next part is the 2 bottom string 5s. And then back to the 2nd and 3rd string 7s. Half step bend, back to just the 7s. And then he's got a pick scratch right there, and it's gonna go 5 to 7 on the D. Kind of sounds like he hits an extra one here on the 4 to 5 on the D, so it's. So we have kind of a hammer on pull off, 2-4-2 on the D. 2 on the G there, and then kind of 4 to 7 slide on the D. So it's. Then we're gonna go. We're gonna have a 7 bend on the G, 8 underneath it on the 2nd string. Bend it again, and then we're gonna have a series of chords where we have the 7 bent and the A below it. So we have like 4 sets of 2 little in a row ones. So it's like. We come out of it with a kind of a bend down. So we got like a. So we have a 5 on the G, 7 on the D, 7 here on the G, back and back. So. Okay, then we're gonna slide into this 9-8 on the G and B strings. Then 7s, slide into the 9-8 again, and then 11-10, and then we get into the 14-13, and we're gonna have a little thing where we slide up into it sometimes from below. So it's. Okay, so kind of a quick slide in there and kind of covers one measure there. Then we're gonna have so that's 13 and 12 to the 14 on the G and back. Then we're gonna have this unison bend, 10 and 13 on the second string. 2 of those bends, then we're gonna have one more. Then we have a little half step bend on the 12th fret of the second string, up and down to the 10 there. And then we have slide into the 14 with your first finger on the G string, and then hit the chord of 14 and 15. And then we're gonna have a pull off here, 17 to 14. So pull off, 15, 14, 15. Couple more chords there. Then we got so we have a 15 on the second, gonna bend the 17. We have the 17 underneath it. Bend the 17 on the second string again. Little one to second again, and then we have a double, like a chord thing. So 2 of those, and then 15, 18, 15 on the second, 17 on the G and back. Then we have, so we're gonna bend the 19 on the G with the 20 underneath it twice. And then we're gonna go bend the 19, 20 underneath it, bend the 19 again, so. And then there's a little 17 and a 20 at the end of this measure, the last 2 little 16th notes. So we're gonna have it 17, 20, 17 on the second, bend the 19 on the G string, and go down with it, and then. So we had 17 here to the bigger 19, and then 19, 17, 19, 17. Okay, so the whole solo we got. We have 2 bends on this 20 up here in the second string. And then a little 17 before this last couple measures here. We got. So we have a 17 and a pull off. Little bend on the 20 on the second. And then we have a little 17, a full bend on the 20. Pull off 20, 17. 2 bend ups on the 20 there. And then we have 17, pull off on the second, bend the 19. Then we have 17 and 19 on the D, 17 here to 19. Okay, and then the only other things we have to talk about is like the outro, and there's a little bit of this riff that goes. So it's bending the 15 of the second string, and then hitting the 17 on the smallest string there. Down, and then 13 to 15, goes like 4 times. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with the outro solo, but the outro chords are like A, G, A. You can do a little bend on that 3 there if you want. C to D. Eventually it stops there and it hits a C and holds it. Angus rips out a little bit, then go to the D. And the very last thing you do is the A, G, A. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go through that solo one more time. Okay, as always with the Angus solos, you got to just practice it a lot, listen to it a lot. I don't quite have it exactly down, just kind of figured this one out today. But you got your tab to look at, and you got to just listen to the record a lot. As we used to do back in the day, just take that needle back to the beginning, back to the beginning, back to the beginning. But now you got all kind of fancy tricks where you can rewind and fast forward and all this cool stuff. All right, so thanks a lot for watching, y'all. Damon Wood here, Hells Bells, AC/DC. Got some tabs with this. We'll talk to y'all very soon. Thanks a lot.